Achieve a softer, more rested look that lasts for years. Sculptra Aesthetic at Helendale Dermatology and Medical Spa can erase years by restoring fullness.
The really good thing with Dr. Arthur is if there's something that I've always wanted and she did not feel it was to my best interest, she would sway me to have something that was more beneficial, and I've always been pleased with the outcome.
When we look at large volume replacement on the face, we either have two choices, either a fat transfer or Sculptra. Fat transfers are fairly unpredictable. They may last 2 weeks or 2 years. Sculptra is very predictable. We know that it lasts at least 2 years in patients. The first step is actually a consult. We meet with the patient, we ask them what actually bothers them, and then we determine how we can help them. If the patient decides that Sculptra would be the correct procedure for them, they come into the office, a topical numbing cream is applied to their face. Usually that sits for about 20 minutes or so. Then the Sculptra is injected. We inject it into various areas of the face, areas that we need that collagen stimulation. And so it's nice because we can give someone back their cheekbones, or where they lose volume in their temples, where they may lose volume in their jawline. So it will go in and actually, you make your own collagen with the product. After the injection is completed, I actually will massage the areas that I've injected. Patients will complete that same massage at home, usually for about 3 to 5 days. The next morning, patients are swollen, and they actually like that. I always tell patients that that sort of swelling that they see that next morning is what they can expect after 3 sessions of Sculptra. That's the amount of collagen that they will regenerate. Sculptra is actually a fairly complicated injection. I personally have been doing it for probably maybe 7 years or more. That's how long it's been available in the United States. I think that Sculptra and any other filler, any sort of cosmetic procedure, you really want a natural look. I think as a woman I understand that. I think Jill also understands that you don't want to look different, you just really want to look better rested.
Sculptra Aesthetic works to replace lost collagen in a series of treatments administered by a trained physician. On average, 3 injection sessions are needed over a period of a few months. The skin's structure is reinforced as Sculptra Aesthetic helps replace lost collagen, gradually restoring the look of fullness and subtly corrects facial wrinkles. This can provide a more youthful-looking appearance that can last up to 2 years.
I am always pleased with the results I get. They tell me what to expect, and it's usually what happens.
Get the results you've been looking for from caring, trained professionals. Helendale Dermatology and Medical Spa, specialists in healthy, beautiful skin.